Uh, Dear friends, welcome to my channel. Let us test the hypothesis with the following case study. The questionnaire is about the quality work life of bank employees. There are 4 personal profile variables: bank type, bank location, designation, age. Bank type is public and private, bank location city, town and village, designation administrative clerical, age below 30 years, between 30 and 40 years, between 40 and 50 years, and above 50 years. The quality work life profile. For the following statements, the extent of your agreement or disagreement may be indicated on a 5-point scale. You may give 5 points for strongly agree, 4 points for agree, 3 points for neutral, 2 points for disagree, and 1 point for strongly disagree. There are 3 factors. Every factor has 5 attributes. First factor is family and work life. It has 5 attributes. And second factor is growth opportunity. It has 5 attributes. And social integration, 5 attributes. All attributes are measured with the 5-point scale. The extreme score is 5, highest extreme score, and lowest extreme score is 1. Let us go for testing one by one. The test whether opinion regarding financial issue of job makes me tensed or above average level. This is the first attribute of family and work life. See, it is measured. The highest extreme score is 5 and the lowest extreme score is 1, in between the 3. Let us consider here 3 is the average score of every attribute. Now, this is a claim of particular attribute. The same can be applied for all the attributes, which is called one sample t-test. Let us frame hypothesis that the actual score of family work life variable 1 and average score are equal. When we find out the result, the decision should be taken based on the p value. If p value is greater than 5%, then we accept the null hypothesis or reject it. Let us go to SPSS. The data collected from 150 respondents and the same is entered in SPSS system. Bank type, there are 2 categories, public and private. Designation has 2 categories, administrative and clerical. Bank location has 3 categories, metropolitan city, town and village. And age has 4 categories, below 30 years, between 30 and 40 years, between 40 and 50 years, between above 50 years. And all attributes are measured with 5-point scale. The strongly disagree is given 1 point and strongly agree is given 5 points. Let us apply the test. Go to analyze. Compare means one sample t-test. We take the first variable only. The test value is average, that is 3 or claim. The option, the confidence interval is 95%, so 5% is significant level. Okay, we get the descriptive statistics. The mean score of family work life is 3.3. As per the sample, it is above the average. But we are comparing this average with the population. So the t value is 3.224. Degree of freedom 149, that is n minus 1. N is 150 minus 1, 149. The significant level is 0.005. So it is less than 5%. As per the decision criteria, Greater than 5%, we accept it. Now our result has less than 5%, so reject the null hypothesis. What is the null hypothesis? Actual score of family work life and average score. Actual score of family work life and average score are equal. Now we are rejecting that. The interpretation, the actual score of FWL and average are not equal. The same test can be applied to all other attributes. Go to analyze, compare means, one sample t-test. We can transfer all other attributes to test variables. The test value remain the same for 3 and click OK. Let us have a look into descriptive statistics. All sample size are 150 and mean score is more than 3 except the well attributes FWL5, that is 3. So there is no difference between mean score and the average score, and remaining has above 3. Let us consider all t-tests are significant except this FW5, since there is no t-value, there is no difference, and all significance are less than 5% except the social integration 2, that is above 5 point. So now we can conclude SI2 only has equal score. The average score and the actual score are equal in case of SI2 only. The remaining attributes do not have the equal score. Thank you for watching. If you like, subscribe.